Hello learners, I am Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to chapter number 2, Log on to Access. In this session, we are going to solve some exercise of this lesson. Section A, filling the blanks. First is a dash is an organized way of storing information. Answer is database. A database is an organized way of storing information. Second is a relational database stores data in dash that are linked together using dash fields. Answers are tables and common. Means a relational database stores data in tables and that tables are linked together using common fields. Third is a dash is a collection of related records. Answer is file. A file is a collection of related records. Fourth is dash key combination is used to quit the MS Access. So answer is Alt plus F4. This is the shortcut key to quit the MS Access. Fifth is dash in Access helps you to get the information on a specific topic from the information stored in database. So answer is queries. With the help of queries, you can get information on any kind of topic related to database. Section B, true false. First is MS Access is a database management system. This statement is false because MS Access is a relational database management system. Second is database is of two types, DBMS and RDBMS. This statement is false because database is of two types, that is flat file database and RDBMS. Third is in flat file database system you can make links. This statement is false because in flat file database system you cannot make links together. Fourth is you can create a relationship between two tables using a unique field. This statement is false because you can create relationship between two tables using a common field, not a unique field. Fifth is tables, queries, reports and forms can be created in MS Access. This statement is true. Sixth is DBMS stands for Data and Business Management Software. This statement is false because DBMS stands for Database Management System. Seventh is a column name is also called a field name. This statement is absolutely true. Now we will do section number C, application based questions. Question 1 is Supriya is being given an assignment to create a table using template. Suggest her the option which she should select after opening MS Access. Means when she will open MS Access, so which option she will select to create a table using template. So let's see the answer. Supriya should click on Create tab and then click on the Table Templates button in the Tables group to create a table using template in MS Access. Question number 2. Mansi wants to quit MS Access after saving a database by using shortcut keys. Which key combination will you suggest her to use? So, which will be the shortcut key to quit MS Access? Let's see the answer. Mansi should press Alt plus F4 key combination to quit MS Access after saving a database. So, students, here we have done filling the blanks, true, false and application based question. In the next session, we will do question answer of this lesson and also MCQs. So till then, keep practicing. Thank you and very happy learning.